Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change phone number on your TikTok account. So guys, want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step that you have to take now is to tap on your TikTok app to open it. So let me tap on my TikTok app to open it. So guys, once you open up your TikTok app, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on your TikTok profile icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, once your TikTok profile page opens up, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see it there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now what you have to tap now is to tap on the last option, which is settings and privacy. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, what I want you to do now is to tap on the first option, which is account. You can see there, that's the first option. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the account section, what you have to do now is to tap on account information. You can see there, that's the first option. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the account information, you're going to see we have two options here. The first one is phone number, while the second one is email. What you have to tap on is the first option, which is phone number, because this tutorial is about how to change your phone number. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, you can see what is written there. Let me read it out loud. This phone number is linked to your account and it is only visible to you. If you change it, it may still be retained for account recovery purposes. Okay guys, that's it. Let's look downwards now. You're going to see that we have two options there. The first one is change phone, while the second one is unlink phone. So guys, the one you have to tap on is on the first option, which is change phone. So let us tap on it. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see what is written here, enter phone number. So let's go ahead now to input the new number that I want to put in this TikTok account. So let me go ahead to input my number. So guys, once you're done inputting your phone number, what you have to do right away is to tap on send code. Once you tap on send code, TikTok will send you a 6-digit code to your phone number. They will send it as a text message. Then what you have to do is to copy the text message and come back here and paste it. Once you paste it, your phone number will be changed automatically. So guys, let me tap on send code. So guys, can see it's loading up. So guys, can see what is written there, enter 6-digit code. Your code was sent to the number you just added now. So guys, once you copy the 6-digit code that was sent to the new number that you inputted and you come over here and you paste it right there, the new number that you inputted will be added to your TikTok account. So guys, this is how it's done, and I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.